Let's pair a new Hunter wireless rain sensor transceiver to your existing rain sensor receiver. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. All right, step one is to power off your controller. There should be no lights on the receiver. You can do this by unplugging your controller, and if you cannot unplug your controller, remove one of the yellow wires that comes out of the receiver and is attached to the 24-volt terminal on your controller. This must be powered off. Step two is to hold your finger on the green bypass button before you plug it in. I'm going to plug it in right now. The light will turn orange. Okay, then you will take your new transceiver, and there's a black button right here. You're going to depress the black button until the sensor turns red and green. There you go. That is the indication that you have paired your new transceiver with your existing receiver. And if there's anything else that you need, we are available by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview tech tip, happy sprinkling. We'll see you then.